Whether you are a device repair IT tech or do-it-yourselfer, the Repair Depot has everything you need to fix that cracked screen or replace a battery in your phone, laptop, or tablet. Let us get you the quality parts you need. Just go to reputable.com and get a parts quote. Tell us your situation, and one of our reps will match you with the correct part at an affordable price. The part is then shipped directly to your home or office. To ensure confidence in our service, we have a compatibility guarantee, or we'll send a replacement. Parts are backed by a warranty for defects and failures, and we pride ourselves on our superior customer service. Partner with the techs who know device repair. Part ordering made easy at reputable.com. Dealing with a difficult repair? Let us take care of it. We offer top-notch mail-in repair service for iPhones, Android smartphones, iPads, Chromebooks, tablets, and laptops. reputable.com for life's electronic accidents.